Roasting with herbs, a flavorful journey in English cooking terms. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a delicious phrase that's common in English cooking: roast with herbs. If you love food and language, you're in for a treat. Let's embark on this flavorful journey together. Firstly, let's break down the term roast. Roasting is a cooking method where food is cooked in an oven or over a fire. Usually, it involves cooking large pieces of meat or vegetables at high heat until they become browned and tender. When you hear roast in English, think of a warm, delicious meal that's often enjoyed with family and friends. Now, let's spice things up with herbs. Herbs are plants with savory or aromatic properties used for flavoring food. Common herbs include rosemary, thyme, basil, and parsley. They are not just about taste. They also add delightful aromas and enhance the food's visual appeal. When we combine these terms, roast with herbs, it refers to the process of cooking meat or vegetables in a way that incorporates herbs. This combination infuses the roast with fragrant, earthy, and fresh flavors, transforming a simple dish into a gourmet experience. In English-speaking cultures, a roast with herbs is often associated with comfort food and special occasions. It's a phrase you might come across in cookbooks, cooking shows, or restaurant menus. Understanding this term not only adds to your culinary vocabulary but also gives you a taste of the culture. I hope you enjoyed learning about the phrase, roast with herbs, as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also the culture and experiences they represent. Happy cooking and happy learning! See you in our next video.